for the pasta al forno with the olive oil. And we have everything already chopped, like the onion and the garlic. This is called soffritto. It's the base of all the Italian sauces. So pay attention, we can rotate it, make sure everything's cooking properly. We let it go for, I'm gonna say, 1 minute. As you can see, it is starting to get a little bit brown, but again, we don't want to burn it. We have this beautiful San Marzano tomato sauce. We go right in. Pinch of salt, black pepper as well, and make sure we stir it. Don't put it too much inside the oven because we don't want it to burn. We can leave it here to cook for at least 10 minutes. We want that to also reduce a little bit. After around 20 minutes, the sauce will be ready. You reduce a little bit. We have here some pasta that we previously cooked. We put it inside. All of it, and we mix it. So once all the pasta is all mixed and the sauce is everywhere, we put some Fior di Latte Mozzarella, and we are going to finish it with some beautiful Parmigiano Reggiano that is aged 24 months. And we are gonna finish with just a drizzle of course, this beautiful Zerillo extra virgin olive oil. So the oven right now is around 170 degrees Celsius. So 350 Fahrenheit. After around 15 minutes, as you can see, the pasta is almost ready. It is starting to get a little bit of crust. So a little trick, get these little pieces of wood, you can break it down and just throw it on the fire. In this way, we're gonna have a nice crust on top. After around 20 minutes, but again, just go by looking because the pasta basically is already cooked. As you can see, the pasta is ready. Look how beautiful it is. So to finish it, let's put some freshly chopped parsley, basil as well, and of course, just a little drizzle of this beautiful Zerillo extra virgin olive oil. And this is the final result, the pasta al forno in the Ciao Bella pizza oven.